Hello Subnautiloids, it's Frost Iron with some more Below Zero for you. This one's pretty easy. This is going to be the second piece of Alan's body that we're going to recover. We started at the pilot's last known position, which is a beacon that everybody will have. Oops, try to avoid these squid sharks. And it's actually really easy. Oops, oh, I don't know. Or it would be if I could get myself unstuck for a second. Come on. I accidentally brought my whole sea truck with me. I meant to just bring the part of the cabin. Okay, let's detach real quick and try that again. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so this one is pretty easy. All you have to do is wander over and until you find the area where it goes deeper. Deeper down into the trench. And down to Goblin Town we go. Yeah, and it's almost a straight shot down. Unfortunately, it's not quite. Because when you get to here, you realize, oh, that's a wall. That's a floor, I guess I should say. So, yeah, we have to go find the way around, which it's off on the side here. And actually, yeah, when you see this thing, you know you're going in the right direction. So you should be able to plop on down, and it'll keep taking you a little bit lower. Oh, and that's such a cool plant, isn't it? I wonder if I can harvest some of that. I'm going to see if I can. Let me see if I can take some of that back and put it in my aquarium. Doesn't look like it. That's too bad. Okay. That's a cool looking plant, though. And now, if you haven't been down here before, you probably need some of these spores and mushrooms to make hydrochloric acid and benzene. There's a pretty good chance you've been down here by now, though. Down we go. Just sort of following the obvious trail. I'm short on diamonds. I'm going to grab that real quick. Yeah. And, you know, there are a few air plants here and there. You can make it down on tanks of air if you don't have the depth module for your sea truck. Watch out for that guy. Squid shark, just living his squid shark life down here. Yeah, you've got just enough depth to reach here. And there's air inside, so, you know, if you do decide to come down on tanks, you know, just know that once you get inside, you'll be able to fill up. Which is fairly predictable, but good to know. Alright, there's not a whole lot in here. It's very pretty.
Able to handle heavy forces. A good frame for my new form.
Are you okay, Alan?
It is not often that I gaze upon the form of a foreign architect.
Is this place another sort of sanctuary? It's peaceful. Beautiful, even.
As the bacterium spread, the continuation of life became uncertain. This is a place to reflect.
I think I understand.
Yep, okay, so there's nothing in here other than the one thing to be scanned. Not even an ion cube for the trouble.
You have found two of the three components required for the construction of my corporeal form. This is as close as I have come to autonomy in a long time.
You have such a way with words.
Is that sarcasm?
It was. You're learning.
Hopefully, I will not have time to complete my study.
I was wondering, if you can transfer bodies, why was it important to find a cure when you were infected? couldn't you just make a new body?
As you can see in the components you have scanned thus far, the forms we require combine biological and mechanical parts. The tissues you have scanned were developed from the DNA of 27 separate alien species.
27? That seems greedy. And wouldn't that mean that anything that infects a body you've manufactured can potentially learn how to infect all those other species?
Yes, that is why a cure was imperative.
That's actually a nice little touch there. That, I mean, it's certainly they had to stretch to make that work, but it does imply also that the architects were doing this, at least in part, it seems, out of, a sense of duty. That, if they didn't find a cure, all these other species could be affected as well. And I mean, I'd like to think that they're doing that out of a sense of duty, not just out of self-preservation. Okay, well that's it for that particular body part. I'd sure like to find some eggs down here, though. I think this might be where the lily paddlers lay their eggs, but I haven't seen any critter eggs. So we're going to look around just for a few, see if we can maybe spot something, I don't know, clinging to a wall or a ceiling or hiding in a corner. I'm trying to grow out the aquarium. We've got glow whales now. And fluffies. Oh, I didn't bring my prawn suit down. Okay, well, need a lot of glass to get the aquarium going. That's okay. I can skip that one. Oops. Oh, okay. Yes. I like this biome. It's kind of peaceful. What are you? Are you a bonefish of some kind? You don't look familiar. Where are you? Where'd you go, you little bugger? Right, that wasn't you. I do need to scan you, though. Huh. Not sure where that fish went. Okay, well. Let's see if we can find something down in the crevices. Around in the corners. Hiding somewhere anywhere. Doesn't look like we're going to have much luck at this, does it? This is a fun little cave. It's a fun little cave with nothing in it. Okay, I've got to catch me one of those spinny discs, though. You are going in the aquarium, buddy. Huh. I feel like this cave should serve some purpose, should have some resource, should lead somewhere, should do something. Nope, not finding anything, not even a plant. I'm trying to collect plants for the aquarium as well. Okay, well, I guess we're going to call it there. And then next time we will track down and find Alan's third body part, and then we will progress towards the end of Alan's story. Probably with some gratuitous aquarium building in between. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Remember to save. And until next time, keep on swimming.